This is another spot that traditionally has been really good for us. It's on the intersection here. It's at this 90-degree turn. I'm gonna rescent. I haven't checked the camera yet on this one either, so I don't know what we have for pictures. I know it's a good spot, and we've gotten, over the years, lots and lots of pictures here. 2 years ago, we started putting a licking stick in this spot, and it increased the number of pictures and the quality of the pictures greatly. But so I rescented it. I'm gonna check it here and see.